1MDB has sparked embezzlement and money laundering investigations across
one of
at
the
least
biggest
10
corruption
countries.
scandals the world has ever seen.
What may be the biggest financial scam in history.
A number of corrupt 1MDB officials treated this public trust as a personal bank account.
Follow us as we bring you into the courtroom where the biggest financial scandal in Malaysian history is being heard. By the Malaysian Insight, this is the Najib Razak 1MDB trial, and I'm Patrick Teo. Prosecutor Gopal Sri Ram told Najib's lawyers today to argue his One Malaysia Development Berhad case in court instead of the media. Sri Ram told the Kuala Lumpur High Court that lead defence lawyer Mohamed Shafee Abdullah had misled the media by claiming that the prosecution had failed to disclose evidence in the convicted politician's trial. It's Tuesday, October 4th, and Najib's One Malaysia Development Berhad trial resumed at the Kuala Lumpur High Court this morning. Najib is standing trial for graft involving 2.28 billion ringgit in 1MDB funds. He faces 25 charges, 4 for abuse of power and 21 for money laundering for offences committed between 2011 and 2013. He is now serving a 12-year jail term in Kajang prison for the SRC case. Sri Ram said the letters, which the defence claimed was not produced in court, was already submitted to the defence during Najib's SRC international trial. How can he call the media like this and have a press conference? If he, Shafee, wants to fight, let us fight it out in court, he told Judge Colin Lawrence Sequeira. Sri Ram said that Najib's lawyers must conduct a trial in court and not in public. Yesterday, at a press conference, Shafee said the prosecution had failed to disclose to the defence the particulars of 5 subsequent transactions which the defence had obtained through their own investigations. Shafee said the transactions were funds that Najib had received into his AmBank account from the Saudi Finance Ministry and Prince Faisal Turki Bandar Al Saud. The 5 transactions amounted to about $180 million or 837 million ringgit. Sri Ram said it is not proper for him to respond to Shafee's public accusations. He said that all the letters that were produced during Najib's trial and appeal were rejected by the courts during his previous SRC international trials. Justice Nazlan Muhammad Ghazali was the presiding judge in the SRC international trial who convicted and sentenced Najib. Sri Ram then said Shafee's statement was a direct attack on the prosecution. Najib's lawyer, Wan Aizuddin Wan Muhammad, interjected, saying the media statement didn't touch on Judge Nazlan's findings in the SRC international trial. He said that the SRC international case was a different charge and not directly related to the letters, and how it is being utilized are subject to the findings and facts of law. It is the purview of the court to accept or not the evidence, he told the court. Wan Aizuddin said Shafee will address the issue tomorrow morning as he couldn't make it to court today because he was unwell. Sri Ram reiterated that the prosecution was not suppressing evidence. That is not true. We need to be vindicated. I am not willing to tolerate this. Our case is being undermined in public, he told Judge Colin. The trial will resume tomorrow, with Shafee addressing the court over his statement. Thank you for listening. This podcast was brought to you by the Malaysian Insight. It was written by Noel Acharyam, and I'm Patrick Teo.